Did you know the longest hiccuping spree lasted almost 70 years? Yes, that's true. A man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Over those decades, he hiccuped an estimated thousands of times a day. While hiccups are usually harmless and often go away quickly, they can sometimes stick around for a long time, causing concern. The exact causes of hiccups can vary from eating too quickly to sudden changes in temperature. Unfortunately, despite countless remedies proposed over the years, there is still no guaranteed cure for hiccups. Isn't it fascinating how something so common can sometimes lead to such extreme cases?